ibigay ko ang lahat.
How the hell did a 7-year-old came up to realize that they are part of an LGBT? Oops, again, just a disclaimer. Alam ko marami na naman matitrigger dito, pero I'm not against LGBT. I am against adults letting a small kid decide on a life-changing or yung sobrang bigat na desisyon katulad ng pagpili ng kasarian. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this!
Pati na rin ang iyong pangarap. Sasamahan kita kahit saan. Ikaw lang ang nais kong
So, ibig sabihin ba nun, for example ako, nung bata ako, gusto kong maging Power Rangers. Tapos, sabihin ko sa magulang ko, Ma, di ba? I identify myself as Red Ranger. So, dapat bang suportahan ng magulang ko yung decision ko na magsuot ng costume ng Power Ranger and tumalon sa mataas na building, di ba? I mean, so, again, it's not really about the LGBT. It's about kids. Okay? Who do not have the mental capacity to even have a driver's license, to vote, and to do other vices like yosi, inom, so on and so forth. Select gender.
I'm a biological woman that medically transitioned to appear like a male through synthetic hormones and surgery. I will never be a man. Nobody would help me, including the doctor that did this to me because I lost my insurance. I get infections every 3 to 4 months. I'm probably not going to live very long. We have 5 children's hospitals in the United States telling girls that they can be boys at $70,000 a pop in a surgery that has a 67% complication rate. That will kill me. I have 3 kids at the age that they're doing this to kids. I'm not transphobic. I love my kids, and I love other people's kids, and you should too. This is wrong on so many levels.
Kung yung adult na nagpa-change sex, nagsisisi siya doon sa nangyari, imagine if it came to the time na umiinom na sila ng hormone blockers para i-ready na yung mga sarili nila para sa sex change operation. Imagine that kind of damage na ginagawa sa utak nung bata.
Like the chance you have a trans kid is 1 in 3,000. That's not a very high chance. And let's say the chance that you have a pansexual kid is the same. Whatever pansexual means, I don't even know how to calculate those odds. But whatever that is rarer than trans because no one ever even heard about it until 5 years ago. So the joint probability that you have a trans kid and a pansexual kid is 1 in 9 million. The odds that you're a pathological narcissist sacrificing your own children to the glorification of your compassion is 8,999,999 to 1. So, like, do you have a trans kid and a pansexual kid? Or are you a devouring mother? Well,
Napaka-rare nung ganong cases. So, most likely, imbes na i-push natin yung ganong narrative doon sa mga bata, why not just let things unfold up until such na matanda na sila to be able to decide on their own. And if you're going to look back, sabi doon POV, healing my inner child. So, ibig sabihin nun, totoo yung sinabi ni Dr. Jordan Peterson na binakla niya yung bata dahil sa trauma niya. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.